This video is going to show you how to do Brief 2 of PPD. So you go to your Moodle and you go to your PPD page, Maria's page, scroll down to my section, past Brief 1, done a video on Brief 1 already. There it is there. That's the document you're filling in for Brief 1. And the budget video I've done is there, and that's the budget you're filling in. Then the Brief 2 is here. So you're going to go to this document and download this. And this is the one that you're going to be filling out. Enable editing. I want you to change your name in the heading and put your class in the heading. It's easier when I'm correcting. I know whose it is. And also save your file name, including your name too. So this is the document I'd like you to write in. The introduction you might have already written for Brief 3. With me, we did it backwards, I remember. So you can just paste your introduction from Brief 3 in here. It's okay that it's the same. It's including your career goal and what will help you and hinder you in getting there. Then you have your personal analysis section. You've already done your SWOT and your career goals section from the collection of documents. So just refer to that document in this paragraph here, so that I can go to your folder, check to see if it's there, and make sure that you have all the bits that you need. So the personal analysis part, you need to refer to it as well. So let's say in your SWOT analysis you have determined that your strengths are friendliness, outgoing, chatty, kind, considerate, empathetic. Just write that matches your chosen career, that it's good to have these qualities in your chosen career of cabin crew or airline or any tourism industry, or for social care, for my social care students. So just write a quick sentence there that shows that because you've done your SWOT analysis, it matches your chosen career basically. You can do a learning style questionnaire if you feel like it. You don't have to do that. Just for those of you that have not done anything, you might want to throw that in as well. This is a good way to learn how you learn, and then refer to it that your college that you've chosen will match your learning style. The teachers there are trained in helping you learn kinesthetically, or however you like to learn. Just refer to that there. Routes to my career goal then. So you're basically talking about here what jobs are available. So when you went searching on irishjobs.ie and you clicked on a job that was available, what qualifications did they advertise they needed? And are you on the way to getting that qualification? So you're just talking about that in this paragraph here. And there's just prompts here to help you to know what to write. So they're just prompts. So you can get rid of them and write your own thing, or get rid of them afterwards and just leave them there to help you remember what to write about. So let's say you have to have a qualification in social care, for example, or in hospitality management degree. Then show what college courses are out there that provide those qualifications. That's what you're doing here. Then you want to talk about, if you were applying to those colleges, what CAO code would you be using? I think it's like 2 letters and 3 numbers. So MH123 or MH107, something like that. So you're just showing that you know the course code that you would apply for to get that qualification if you were going down the CAO road. Otherwise, talk about how you would get into a level 5 or a level 6 qualification, and how you would go about getting that qualification mentioned in the jobs that you said were available. Then the last thing that you need to talk about in Brief 2 is your college profile. So let's say you've said TU Dublin, Maynooth and Athlone all offer a social care degree. The one that you like the most is Maynooth because it's the closest to your house, for example. That's the college profile you want to talk about. So literally go to the college website. So I went to maynoothuniversity.ie, and you're learning about what is available here. So if we go to the menu, go to Campus Life, departments, the library. So let's do campus life. So in that section, when you're doing your college profile, you're literally talking about what is available to you when you get there. So there's clubs and societies there, there's well-being and support. And if you've mentioned one of your weaknesses in the SWOT analysis, or one of your stumbling blocks to achieving your goal is potentially mental health or a learning disability, then you're showing that this college can help you through those stumbling blocks and give you tools to achieve your goal. So that's all you're really tying up there. Campus facilities talk about the cafes, the restaurants, the labs, the theatres that are there, that are available when you're studying. Also, there's accommodation on site, talk about that. How many students can they accommodate? You want to talk about where the college is located, almost the address of the college. You want to talk about the transport options. So even go to maps and search your college. So, and then I would go to directions and I would say my home address, Rathmines, and then public transport options. What are my options? What buses go there? So the 14 and 15 will go to the Maynooth service, the 46A, and then the 66, the 10, 140, and so on. You can even do a print screen of this page and paste it in to your document, showing that you already have researched how you would get to college every day. Okay, so you want that type of stuff in your college profile. Let's go back to my document. So that's the type of stuff you're writing in this section. And again, I've got lots of prompts to help you write about college here, or the college you're choosing here. Now, if you're not choosing to pursue college after this year and you're going straight into a company profile, for example, you might want to work for Dublin Airport Authority. Just write about Dublin Airport Authority. So you could just start writing something like their vision is to be airport industry leaders, where they're based, how you would get to them every day, who they are. You want to talk about they've got 3,000 employees. They're working in management, operation, domestic and international airport, retail management and aviation consultancy services. There you go. There's a little explanation of who they are. You could take a little bit of that from the website. You could talk about the career opportunities that are there. All the different areas they cover, the Cork, DAA International. Go through what careers there are. You could click on, if we go to the Dublin Airport one, and learn a little bit more about what they do and how you can grow your career. So often some jobs will have an actual pathway, so from entry level to management, and how you get there, and typically how long it takes to become a manager there. Another industry or another company you could use would be the Marriott. The Marriott is a very large international hotel or organization. You could talk about their brands. You could talk about where they're located around the world, where you could work, what departments you could work in. You could talk about your salary, about Marriott. Where else would you talk? So here's a section, Marriott Careers, careers.marriott.com, and that will show you the different jobs that are available, the journey you could take, how you could go from working as a waitress all the way up to being a hotel manager in any of their large brands across the world. So there's lots of opportunities. It's all on the websites. You can literally copy and paste and talk about the profile of the company itself that you would target in hoping to be part of and enhancing your career. So I hope that helped you guys write your second brief of your PPD module. So this brief here, again, I've got different sections to help you along and help you write it. This is 30 marks, so it's fairly okay. It shouldn't take too long, and best of luck.